it rains, it pours, they say. I keep my doors closed, so what I hold inside is not exposed to whoever's outside of my window. Feeling insecure and judging myself more for this long suffering that I've endured. Through it all, the man in the mirror has become more mature. As these puddles start to fill, the rain becomes my comfort. I learn how to swim and not let life take me under. I compose to the lightning and the thunder. Raindrops wash away my tears, so I stand right under. I'm the seed that mom and pops planted. No wonder it rains. Seeds need water to grow and to be met by the sunshine peeking through my window. The rain I speak of is a state of mind that falls in the form of trials and tribulations. If you are not tuned in to happiness, change the station.